What is Thumbnail Blaster? Hi there, my name is Julius and I'm from earningonyourterms.com. In my today review, I'm gonna have a closer look on the Thumbnail Blaster. So, what is it? It is actually artificial intelligence supported and cloud-based drag and drop thumbnail creating tool. How does it work? It works very simply. You would need to create one thumbnail, then you would need to twist it around a bit and then just publish it, right? So it's super easy. And actually, if you go inside of the thumbnail blaster tool, you will see that it is really quite simple. So I'm already here inside. I'm gonna show you how does it work if you do it step by step. So this is my account, right? This is the standard account. I'm going to talk about the memberships and prices and what is actually included just in a second, but this is the standard account. Let me show you how does it work. So I will start with the thumbnail creator, right? So this is the first one. I will need to press on thumbnail creator, and now I will have basically some options. I can go either to start from the blank, or I can create one template from the custom made template. What is good thing about it, but I'm gonna also talk about the pros and cons later, but you see that there are some training videos. So basically, as soon as you enter the thumbnail blaster, you will see that there's a lot of training videos. So I can skip it now because I already know how does it work. But if you are there at the beginning, you would like to really know and check them all. Okay, so I can close it. And as you see, here I'm in my main menu. So I will go to the thumbnail creator that's over here, and then this is the select video. I haven't started yet. This is my new account. I'm just going to show you for this video purposes how does it work. So I can really create here from the scratch my first video. I will need to press start with no video if I don't have any video. If you already have some video on YouTube or somewhere else, you can also go from a video link, right? But as I said, as I don't have any videos yet there, I'm going to start with the start with no video. I'm going to press on it, and then you can see, okay, there is again additional training video. Then you can see that here are really the templates. As I didn't purchase any upsells, about upsells I'm going to speak also a bit later. I can already kind of disable this club and my templates because I just started. So they are the predefined. And here, if I will scroll down, right, there I have some options. With the first standard membership, there are 30 predefined templates. So let's say that we go for this one. Again, at the beginning, there will be these videos coming to you quite often. You see 10 minutes and a half, so this is really quite long video. Feel free to watch it and really it will be shown step by step. Now to keep it shorter, we are just going to go straight away to it. So when you press on this template, you see that this is kind of a drag and drop menu, similar like Thrive Teams if you used it, or Canva, right? And here I can just click on the picture and now I can just play with it. Chances are that if I'm in the diet niche or health niche, I might like this picture or this thumbnail from the first place, but if I don't, I just can a little bit play around. So I can change basically the title of it right over here, top not 10 but top 7 for instance. I can change this sub headline also. Okay, it's written your title, how to lose weight. That will be probably my title, right? So this is basically the text, right? Font type, the sizes, the color of it, the position, shadow. And if I want to go to the background, I can also choose the background that was default. That's over here. I can choose square, so I'm gonna change it. I can choose circle here inside if I want to change it, right? The picture. Okay, I'm gonna stay now with the default. If I want to change the gradient behind it, behind the picture, right, play around with it. I can remove the color if I want. Okay, this is just belonging to Pro. Let's gonna talk about the membership just in a second. but just really feel free to go and play with it. So this is the pattern. I can change the patterns if I would like, right? This is the background pattern. I can basically change the image. Here I can upload any image I would like. And then here, what I want to add, for example, I want to add a button. I can add button over here, change the color, change the side, right? What else? I can do basic shapes. So just really feel free, some badges, right? So you can just really play around it as much as you want. And then if you go further, you can save it as a JPG in your computer and then use it later, or you can also go save and continue. And that will be much more suitable if you already link your YouTube account together in the thumbnail blaster. I haven't done it, so I haven't linked my YouTube video, but if you would link your account, you will see next option to go straight away to your video, right? So if you can see, you can also save it as a PNG, you can save it as a JPG, or publish it. So for the sake of the video, I will go publish it, and as you see here, there is this select YouTube channel, right? But I haven't linked any channel, so it's not there, right? So as you see, it's pretty straightforward. So I'm going to show you what are the memberships inside of the thumbnail blaster, right? So this was the standard version. All the time you're going to create your new thumbnail, you will have option to upgrade to Pro, to Club, or to Agency. I will give you now a little bit of hint. If you're going to use Thumbnail Blaster and you are interested already in the upsells, what I'm going to show you just right now, then you would like to maybe purchase it during the purchase of the standard version, because then you will get a little bit of better price. If you are already inside of the Thumbnail Blaster software, you can still upgrade it for the standard price. So let's say I want to go upgrade to Pro, then you will have this option. What are the differences, or what are the advantages of Pro? As you can see over here, right? So standard and Pro. Standard, thumbnail creator and 30 templates. That's it. With the Pro, you can use multiple YouTube accounts. There is a Vimeo integration, artificial intelligence image analysis, image filters, and remove background, right? But let me actually show you. If I try to press now no thanks, what is going to show us? Okay, there is basically nothing because this already has expired. So you would need to go basically further. The price is 150 euros, right? So this is the one-time fee, but if you would do it during the process, you will pay just $25. So really this is something what would you like to consider, because the difference is 120 euros or dollars. So if you are going to like this product and you want to go and have already the higher number of the templates, there's 360 templates plus 20 templates every month, then this is something what you might consider. So if you would like to have a Pro, you might like to buy it at the first purchase, because then you're going to save around $120. Okay, that was the first one. That's the Pro. And second one is Club. Okay, and what is the upgrade going to cost you, and what does it do? So if you do it from the main page and click upgrade to Club, you will see the price. This price is actually for lifetime access. So this is what you want to keep in mind. And you can see it over here, Thumbnail Blaster Club Lifetime. And this is going to be 200 euros plus taxes, so it's going to be 242 total without the discount, right? And there you have also option to do it on the first page while you're doing the purchase of the standard Blaster thumbnail software. And then I just created here for you the web page. This is the screenshot of it, and you can see that's the first one. There will be 300 extra templates for $1 as kind of trial, and then future payments every month it will be $17, right? So here you can already see what exactly is inside. There is 300 extra templates on top of these 30 what you already had in the standard one, right? Plus 20 new templates every month. So should you be out of your creativity, then this might be great option for you. Actually, what else is inside of Blaster suit, there is this AI image analyzer, right? That's what we already discussed. I'm in my standard one, so I cannot go further. But basically, what does it do is, as you can see over here, you will put your template or your picture, and then here on the right side there are some measurements like adult, if it is adult free, medical, spoof, violence, racy. So it's going to show you kind of measurements on 0 to 100 if it is really recommended for you to. I mean, that's just a small additional helpful tool. I think you will be okay without it, but just if you like to use it and know what does it mean. Split test, you can go and put basically two templates and compare them, and then you will see which one is doing better. If I do new split test, you can choose even for how long you want to run it. If you would here put thumbnail A, thumbnail B, then add split test right after this period of time. So I put 88 hours. The software is going to automatically choose the one which is having better click-through rate. What else is interesting inside is this Lingo Blaster. So basically, what does it do? Is going to translate the subscription from different languages. I already opened it over here. There is also this starting video, so you can just watch it if you like, and it's going to be explained to the detail. But basically, how does it work is that they are trying to emphasize the fact that you don't really need to pay a translator, and this tool is going to translate your international text to or from English basically automatically. So if you are really in the international niche and your website is primarily in different languages, they have here 100 foreign languages, right? Then you can also use this. But I mean, with present Google Translate, where you just copy and paste, it's questionable if this is needed. But again, just for your information, this tool and this extra exists over there. The price of it is during the initial purchase is going to be $9. That's over here. They call it the secret method to rank thumbnails on a first page of Google. But it, in the end, is just basically this Lingo Blaster. What are the other options inside of thumbnail software? Basically, on the left side over here, you see all this software and products are basically from the same owner: Lingo Blaster, Captionizer, Speechello, and Scriptello, right? So if you're going to purchase it from inside of this software, you will get some discounted prices, but you can also do it on your own via ClickBank. What are the pros and cons of this Thumbnail Blaster? So the pro is easy to use. I mean, once you already get through the videos and once you already get and understand how does it work, it's quite easy to navigate, to use it. Another pro is the training included inside, because not every ClickBank software has some kind of training. So here you can see if I'm going to press Thumbnail Blaster inside of this Blaster suite, then you can see here you have training videos. Okay, so if you start using the software, then you are not skilled yet and you don't know every single feature, how does it work, even though it is quite easy to navigate and many things inside are self-explanatory, but I can understand that maybe you want to just see it also from the owner and get some hints. So you can see here there are some videos, right, and you can just go and check them. I'm not saying that this is some extraordinary training tool inside, but at least you have some idea what to do with the software, unlike with the other creators who are just creating some kind of videos, but then they will just kind of leave you there alone, figure it all this on your own. What else? Money back guarantee, right? Because it's from the ClickBank. And the last one is multiple use. You can also create Facebook and Instagram thumbnails with the software. What is the con? If you ask me, I will say the price, even though it's not too expensive. But if you kind of do your research and if you already know some of the other products who can create thumbnail for you, you will say that yeah, this one is maybe too expensive. I'm having Canva in my mind. There is a free version of Canva, and the premium or the pro costs $110 per year, but they have 250,000 templates and the quality is much better and the usage is much brighter. And the second con is basically the upsells, right? If you follow my work online, you know that I really hate upsells, and the same is happening here. I mean, this upsells is just making it a little bit more confusing, a little bit more unclear what is inside of one membership, what is not there, how you can purchase it. If you purchase it during the standard procedure at the beginning, you get a cheaper price like later on. I mean, why this mess? I mean, if you have product which is helpful, and I'm sure this thumbnail blaster is helpful, then why you ask people to do this kind of confusing upsells? For the rest, do I recommend thumbnail blaster? I mean, if you're okay with paying for it, then go ahead. The software is really fulfilling its promises. It does work. There are plenty of templates you can use, but if you ask me, I would really stick with Canva. I mean, the price is much better, the quality is much better, and also the fact that there are no hidden upsells and no confusing price tweaks and different tools instead of special memberships, then I would just really trust the simple and traditional Canva. If you like my video, please subscribe, share the button below, and if you would like to get online marketing education, how to start your business from scratch, then please also check my program. It's below in the subscription, and until next time, cheers.